Dear students, today we are going to discuss another solid whose shape is like this. And such shapes are called cones. This is a cone. Are you clear? Cone, where it is found, you see some birthday caps. Birthday caps are conical shaped. Conical ice cream. Some ice cream. Next, oil funnel. Oil funnel. These are the conical shaped. And actually, how is a conical? How is a cone formed? Please, you draw a right angle triangle. When this right angle triangle is revolved about this side, when this right angle triangle is revolved about a right angle triangle टा जेतले आर ए साइड रे हाइट रो चारिपटे घुरिबो, that will form a cone. That will form a cone. So it looks like a cone. Clear? So the definition is that when a right angle triangle is revolved about its side, the solid formed is called a cone. Clear now? ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗୋଟିଏ ରାଇଟ୍ ଆଙ୍ଗଲ ଟ୍ରାଙ୍ଗଲଟା ତାର ଯେକୌଣସି ଏକ ସାଇଡ୍ ଚାରିପଟେ ଘୁରେ, ତାହେଲେ ସେ ଏ ଯେଉଁ ସଲିଡ୍ଟା ତିଆରି ହୁଏ ତାକୁ କହନ୍ତି କୋନ୍। ତୁମ ମନ ଭିତରେ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ଉଠିପାରେ ଯେ ଯଦି ତାର ସାଇଡ୍ ଚାରିପଟେ ଘୁରୁଛି ଗୋଟେ କୋନ୍ ତିଆରି ହେଉଛି, ଯଦି ତାର ହାଇପୋଟେନିୟସ୍ ଚାରିପଟେ ଘୁରିବ ତାହେଲେ ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ୱିଲ୍ ହ୍ୟାପେନ୍? ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଅଲସୋ ଆନାଦର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍, ଇଟ୍ ମେ ଆରାଇଜେସ୍। ମନେକର ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ନେଉଛି, ଏଠି ଗୋଟେ ରାଇଟ୍ ଆଙ୍ଗଲ ଟ୍ରାଙ୍ଗଲଟେ ନେଉଛି, ଆକୁ ଆମେ କ'ଣ କରିବା ନା ଏଇ ହାଇପୋଟେନିୟସ୍ ଚାରିପଟେ ଘୁରିବା। ଘୁରିଲେ କ'ଣ ହେବ? ଏ ହାଇପୋଟେନିୟସ୍ ଚାରିପଟେ ଘୁରିଲେ ତୁମର could you tell me? A double cone will be formed. This is one cone, you see, this is one cone and this is another cone, this is, but both cone have the same base. Are you getting my point? ଯେତେବେଳେ ଇଏ ହେଉଛି ଗୋଟିଏ କୋନ୍ର ହାଇଟ୍, ଟପ୍ କୋନ୍ ହାଇଟ୍, ଆଉ ଏଇଟା ମିଡ୍ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ନଟ୍ ଏନ୍, ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି ଇଏ କୋନ୍ର ହାଇଟ୍। So double cone formed forms when a right angle triangle revolves about its hypotenuse. ଯେତେବେଳେ ହାଇପୋଟେନିୟସ୍ର ଚାରିପଟେ ଘୁରିବ ସେତେବେଳେ ଡବଲ କୋନ୍ ଫର୍ମ ତିଆରି ହେବ। କ୍ଲିୟର? ଓକେ, ଏବେ ଆମେ କନଫର୍ମ ହେଇଗଲେ ଯେ ତାହେଲେ ଗୋଟିଏ ରାଇଟ୍ ଆଙ୍ଗଲ ଟ୍ରାଙ୍ଗଲଟା ଯଦି तार जेकोसी एक साइड चारिपटे घूरे ताले जो सॉलिड तैयारी हुए सेटा को आम कहे कोन। ताहले एबे आम कोन रो चिन्हिबा पैरामीटर कौन कौन सब ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द शेप हाउ टू ड्रॉ। ओके द कोन हैज ए टू शेप्स। This is one shape. What do you say? This is base, and base is in the circle. It is a circular base, and the second one is this is one. This face is called the what? Tell me. This face is called the curved. तार चारिपटे जो शेपटा अच्छी जो फेसटा अच्छी ताकू कहते कर्व्ड फेस। तेणु ये कोन हैज मोर देन वन फेस गुड and one is base, the other is curved face. Clear now? How many faces does a cone have? A cone has two faces. One is circular base and the other one is curved face. And you know that this point is called the what? Tell me, vertex of the cone. Clear? As it is a circle, so it will have a radius that is called a base radius. So that I am going to show you in a cone how is a right angle triangle can be shown. जदि एटा गोटे राइट एंगल एटा जदि गोटे कोन हैला अरे राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल कोन केमिति एटा ताले एटा हला परपेंडिकुलर हाइट दैट इज कॉल्ड हाइट h एटा टिके अछि that is called the slant height L ताको L आउ एटा को कहू आमे बेस रेडियस R। क्लियर ना? ओके ताले क्लियर हैला बुझि पाइलो एटा गोटे सर्कुलर बेस एटा को कहू आमे बेस रेडियस एटा परपेंडिकुलर हाइट ताको कहू आमे h आउ एटा को आमे कहू स्लांट हाइट। किंतु जेहेतु ये गोटे राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल आर हाइपोटेनियस होची स्लांट हाइट हाइट हला h अब बेस हला रेडियस r। सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द पाइथागोरस थ्योरम one relation is there L square is equal to h square plus r square. This is the according to the Pythagoras theorem, and using this relation you can find the third one if any two are given. If slant height L and h are given, you can find the base radius. If height and base radius is given, you can find the slant height. Clear? This is the first relation according to the Pythagoras theorem, because here slant height is the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle. Clear? The second formula is curved surface area CSA. Curved surface area formula is pi r l. Try to understand. Curved surface area formula is pi r. Number 3, this is 1. 3 TSA, total surface area. Total surface area is equal to pi r l curved surface area plus base area. This base area, what is the base area formula? Pi r square. And you take common pi r into L plus r. So from total surface area means sum of the areas of a two face, curved surface area plus base area. If you from total surface area, if you subtract curved surface area, you will get the base area. Or from total surface area, if you subtract base area, then you will have the curved surface area, that is pi r l. Okay, the next is number 4 formula is volume. Volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. It is the, if you see, suppose you will have a cylinder, this is the cylinder and this is the cone. जदि गोटे बेस आ गोटे कोन रो रेडियस बेस रेडियस आउ हाइट समान हुए आर हाइट जेतिकी आर हाइट जदि सेतिकी आर बेस रेडियस जेतिकी आर बेस रेडियस सेतिक हेले ताहले ए सिलिंडर वॉल्यूम रो 3 भागरु भागे होउची कोन रो वॉल्यूम क्लियर okay so these are the four relations try to understand this is the first this is the second third fourth and using these four relations we are going to discuss now some question clear and the question number 1 is that question number 1 question just I read out the question find the curved surface area of the cone whose slant height is 10 centimeter and base radius is 7. I just show you the question. This is the question you see. Find the curved surface area of the cone whose slant height is 10 centimeter and base radius is 7 centimeter. तले आमको आगे कौन देइछि ना गिवन दैट एल देइछि केते ना 10 सेंटीमीटर एंड आर इज गिवन केते ना 7 सेंटीमीटर आमको कहिछि कर्व सरफेस एरिया फार्मूला को जो कर्व सरफेस एरिया फार्मूला रिकल दैट इज योर पाई आर एल खोजो पाई इज एन इरेशनल नंबर whose value is taken as 22/7, radius whose value is given 7, slant height L whose value 10 centimeter given. So all the informations are given. So directly you can find the curved surface area that is pi r L 22/7 and this r will be replaced by whom? Now 7 and slant height will be replaced by 10 as it is area so centimeter square 7 cancel so 220 centimeter square hence the required curved surface area is 220 centimeter square. That is the question number 1. Question number 2 you see here. What is the question number 2? Find the total surface area of the cone if the height is 8 centimeter and the base diameter is 12 centimeter and here pi value is given 3.14. Find the total surface area. कौन कौन देछि ना ये क्वेश्चन हाइट टा दे देछि given that height h equals to how much ना 8 centimeter and diameter given base diameter d is equal to 12 centimeter. So from d we have to calculate radius r that is d by 2 12 by 2 that is 6 centimeter and we are going to calculate the total surface area. This is the total surface area pi radius slant height plus radius, but here you see the height is given slant height is not given so you have to calculate slant height using the formula L square is equal to h square plus r square. Now in this relation substitute the values. L is to be found so its value is not given then you start L square is equal to height is replaced by 8 square r is replaced by 6 square. So this implies L square equals to 64 plus 36 L square equals to 100 then L is equal to square root of 100 that is 10 centimeter. So now L is obtained so now you are going to find the TSA. So TSA is equal to phi r into L plus r. So phi value 3.14 into r value. What is the r value? 6 L 10 plus 6 so 3.14 into 6 you would write here 10 16 centimeter square. So you find the product and you get the answer. So this is the question number 2. Then question number 3 you come. What is the question number 3 you see here? Se koichi je find the cost of a canvas required to make a conical tent of a slant height of a slant height 10 meter and a base diameter 140 meter. Clear? Are you cleared? Are you cleared? से कहूची जे find the cost of a canvas required to make a conical tent of a slant height केते just I write a question. क्वेश्चन टे पछ पड़ेगा कौटी 10 मीटर हाइट भी कर दे. Okay, just question just I write. You have a find the cost of a canvas. Find the cost of a canvas required to make a conical tent. To make a conical tent of a base radius 70, base radius 7 meter and height and slant height 50 meter. And the pi is equal to 22/7 if 100 meter square canvas cost each rupees 440. से कहूची जे आमे गोटे कोनिकल टेंट तैयारी करिबा. कोनिकल टेंट तैयारी करिबा कोउथरे ना कैनभास रे. कैनभासटा आमे कोउथरे दबा जदि गोटे कोनिकल टेंट करिबा कैनभासटा कोन बता कोनर चारिपट रे बुलिबो जो कपड़ा मरा जीवो. आगे प्रथम बाउंस रे गोटे कोनिकल टेंट से मॉडल तैयारी कर दले. आमे मन कर गोटे कोनिकल टेंट रो गोटे मॉडल कोन करे ना बाउंस रे तैयारी कर दले. एबे कैनभास दबा जो कपड़ा जाऊ को कैनभास बोले कपड़ा से कपड़ा कौन करबा ना ये जो कोनर को पटे दबा तले कौन कैनभास दिया जाए कपड़ा देखिछ कि तार कोनर चारिपटे तब आम कौन बाहर करवा कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ये कैलकुलेट करवा. ये क्वेश्चन आम बुझिले आम कौन कैलकुलेट करवा ना कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया कैलकुलेट करवा. ताले आंसर कौन दे देख गिवन दैट r equals to 7 meter and h is equal to 50 meter. Clear? ताले CSA equals to pi RL. This is slant height, sorry L. Slant height pi RL. Pi is 22/7. 7 into 50. 7 cancel. This much meter square. So this is the curved surface area. So this much canvas is required to make the conical tent. But what is the cost is given? 100 centimeters, 100 meters square cost rupees 440. 1 meter square cost rupees 440 by 100. So how much meter square? 1100 meter square cost rupees 440 by 100 into 1100. Clear? So this 20 cancel. So now multiply 44 into 11. 440 there, only 44 you multiply, then put 0. 44, 44, 44, 44, 4, 8, 4. So rupees 4, 8, 4, now 1, 0. So this much cost required. So therefore required cost of canvas is rupees 4840. Clear now? So this is the one question. And the last question is, what is the last question? Just you write, I just write a question. The volume of a cone is 308 centimeter square and height is 6 centimeter. Find the base diameter. Clear? Here what is given? Try to understand the question. Centimeter cube, sorry, volume means cube. So this is the volume given and height given. So right answer, given that volume is equal to 308 centimeter cube and height h is equal to 6 centimeter, and you are asked to calculate diameter, means d. How diameter can be calculated? If a radius is found. So where will I get the radius? Na ei volume ru ame radius ta pai jiba. Kemiti? Now volume formula 1 by 3 pi r square h, that is the volume, equals to 308 centimeter cube. Once again you write. Now in this equation replace the value. 1 by 3, pi value is 22 by 7, radius is not given, r square, and height is given 6 is equal to 308. This now r square equals to एपटे डिनोमिनेटर किए 3 ଆଉ 7, तेणु 308 divided into 3 into 7, because the denominator when it goes this side that will become numerator, and 22 into 6, 3 cancel 6, 2 cancels 308, 154, 22 cancel 150. তাহলে r square equals to 7 into 7. তাহলে r is equal to square root of 7 into 7, so that is 7 centimeter. So d equals to 2r. So d equals to 2r. 2 into 7, that is 14 centimeter. Therefore required diameter is 14 centimeter. Clear? So take another question. a right angle triangle question, a right angled triangle whose sides are 7 centimeter, 24 centimeter and 25 centimeter. Is revolved about the side 24 centimeter. Find the volume of the solid generated. Find the volume of the solid generated. क्वेश्चन बुझिला से कहूँ ये राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल गोटे राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल अच्छी जार साइड गोटा कहला 7 cm 24 cm और 25 cm इज रिवॉल्व्ड अबाउट द साइड 24 सेंटीमीटर. से कहूँ ये जो राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल जो 3टा साइड देला से 24 सेंटीमीटर साइड चारिपटे घूरला. फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सॉलिड जनरेटेड. कहूँ जो सॉलिडटा तैयारी हैला तार वॉल्यूम काढ़. ताले आमर कन्फर्म जे को सॉलिड तैयारी हैला ये जो सॉलिड तैयारी हैला तार ना हबो कोन कोन. तेणु आगे आम प्रथम राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल नबा. राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल नबा कहार चारिपटे घूरु जीवो ना 24 सेंटीमीटर. तेणु दिस इज 24 सेंटीमीटर. जार चारिपटे घूर सेटा 24 सेंटीमीटर. दिस इज 7 सेंटीमीटर. दिस इज हाउ मच 25 centimeter. Now it is revolved means so this is the cone formed. Or directly you can a cone will be formed. Directly you draw the shape of a cone and you draw the one right angle triangle here. And you know that this will be the 24 centimeter. Can R चारिपटे घूरी. This will be 7 centimeter. This will be 25 centimeter. That's your choice. You can first you draw the right angle triangle. जार चारिपटे घूर सेटा हम तार हाइट. मन रख जार चारिपटे घूर सेटा हम तार हाइट. ताले यही शेप आम जानिले जे गिवन दैट R equals to 7 centimeter, H is equal to 24 centimeter and L is equal to 25 centimeter. आमर कही कौन बाहर कर वॉल्यूम. ताले वॉल्यूम फॉर्मूला कौन है वॉल्यूम इक्वल्स टू 1/3 पाई r स्क्वायर h 1/3 इंटू 22/7 इंटू रेडियस के 7 इंटू 7 हाइट है 24 1/7 कैंसल. दिस 3 कैंसल 24 8 22 7 154 इंटू 8 that will be 1232 centimeter cube kind of volume. So therefore required volume is 1232 centimeter cube. Okay, thank you. सब एक्सरसाइज करिबो.